G'day, I'm Pete Croft with stone-coated steel. I've been in that industry for over 40 years. So like the facility behind me, one of the benefits of stone-coated steel is the fact that you can achieve a Class A fire rating. And in this particular environment, it was definitely needed. As you can see, we're in the forest, we're surrounded with a bunch of oak trees, but all across the country, fire, especially on the coastal region, has become a major issue. And so fire-resistant roofing is a major thing that you need to consider when re-roofing. So some of the other benefits of stone-coated steel is not only its fire resistance, but it has exceptional wind uplift performance. So markets like parts of Houston, Louisiana, Pensacola up in Florida, all across Florida, it has excellent wind uplift capability. And some of the other benefits that come with stone-coated steel is it has a long life warranty, 50 years, which covers 120 mile an hour wind and Class 4 hail resistance. So if you're in the hail belt of the United States, it's one of those excellent products to provide protection for your home. Another benefit to stone-coated steel is that it's 100% recyclable at the end of its life. Unlike a lot of products that can have a real impact on landfills, steel is the most recycled product on earth. So thanks for watching this little clip about stone-coated steel. I'm Pete Croft, brand manager, and we hope you enjoyed learning about stone-coated steel.